Hello friends, yesterday I got a call from Mr. Abhishek. He is deputed as Cost and Management Accountant in Electric Supply Circle, Sahibganj, Jharkhand. Scenario is he has a laptop Lenovo model number V330 which comes with HDD and Windows was already installed in his HDD. Due to this low performance, he installed a M2 SSD from local shop and want Windows 10, but he has some important accounting software installed in his laptop's HDD and he don't want fresh window installation because of the important accounting software which will be deleted. And to get that accounting software, he has to go 432 kilometers away from his current location somewhere in Ranchi, Jharkhand, which was very hectic. Hello friends, my name is Deep and welcome to my channel Technopuran. As per the requirement, I just suggested him we can do OS migration from HDD to SSD on remote using any disk. So let's get started. For this, we need a third-party software Aomei Partition Assistant. So let me copy it to the required remote laptop by using simple copy-paste method. Now simply install it. Double click on the setup. Now click install now and it's done 100%. Now just remove the check on join the user experience improvement program and click enjoy now. Before getting further, I need to let you know that you need to register this software before using this OS clone or OS migration feature. Let me check the HDD and SSD. So disk 0 having approx 1 TB is the HDD with 4 partition. Drive C is the OS partition and SSD is disk 1 having approx 256 GB with single partition with drive letter E. So I have to migrate OS from HDD drive C to SSD drives E. Open the software and create a job by clicking Migrate OS to SSD. Now next. Here select the new volume E, which is the SSD, and check mark I want to delete all partition on this disk, which is disk 1, and click next. Here leave everything default and click next and finish. Now apply the job we had just created by clicking apply, then proceed. Here leave the default, which is restart into Windows PE mode and click OK. Windows PE mode or WinPE mode is a small operating system which is used to install, deploy and repair Windows Desktop Edition, Server Edition and other Windows Edition. Example is advanced option in Windows while repairing the Windows, which includes System Restore, System Image Recovery, Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool and more. Even WinPE mode allows us to select our hard disk SSD partition while installing Windows 10. On other hand, pre-OS mode is also a simple OS environment which is provided by Aomei's Partition Assistant, under which we can use product without system login or ready bootable disk to recover our damaged OS from old recovery images. Now just wait, your system will restart several times and will enter into Windows PE mode and migration will be started. Because I am doing this on remote, so I don't have the complete video, but I do have some images. After everything is completed, by default system will boot with HDD. Therefore, we need to restart the system and go to BIOS and change the first boot device from HDD to SSD. In my case, it is Kingston, which is SSD. So I have to move it to top and will save the setting by pressing F10. After system start, just format the HDD and enjoy. Hope you like this video. See you in new video with new topic. Till then, bye bye. And yes, please follow me on Instagram.